So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Etherfi, ticker symbol ETHFI, on Kraken. Once Kraken's opened up, go to the bottom, press on Explore, then go to the top and press on Search, and then type in a ticker symbol ETHFI. Then press on Etherfi at the top right here, go to the bottom, press on Buy in the bottom right. Type in the amount of EtherFi crypto that you want to purchase. So if you wanted to do, $15 worth, I would type in 15 and then press on the purple arrow. Once you're on this page, you can check out the amounts that you're buying, the price of it, the fee, the total that you're paying, as well as the payment method. And if all looks good, press on the purple confirm button to proceed with the transaction. So that is how to buy EtherFi, ticker symbol ETHFI on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.